Cause I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J, and we are doing an unboxing of my VideoMicro. It's a compact on-camera microphone from Rode. Okay, and this is what it looks like in the packaging. Instructions, that's the way it looks when you have it on your camera. And we have this. This is your windshield. Okay. So we must read instructions. The microphone that you hear me talking through is what's already available on my iPhone 7. So it's really nothing major. However, for all tests and purposes, we are now going to plug in my ECMCS3. I will post the link to this below if you want to purchase this. This is the piece, like an adapter cable for my iPhone 7. So I'm gonna plug this in to the jack and plug it into the spot. There we go. Can you hear me now? So I'm not gonna clip this onto me. I'm gonna place this right there at the base near the feet to my tripod. Okay, now it says the quick start guide for the VideoMicro. Protect your VideoMicro. Register online now for your 2-year warranty. I guess I need to do that. So number 1 is the body. Number 2 is the deluxe windshield. Number 3 is the shock mount. It says Rycote, R-Y-C-O-T-E, Leary shock mount. It's a shock mount, right? The camera shoe mount, which is a 3/8 of an inch thread, which is this. And this, I realize, unscrews on. Like if you need to tighten this base when you slide it in to the camera, I guess a Canon, a Nikon, or a Sony. I have a Nikon, I have a Canon, but it's a Handycam and it doesn't have the shoe mount, so it's totally different. Nor do I have a shoe mount here on my on my iPhone 7 with a tripod. So we're gonna make do, all right? And then you have, they talk about the socket, 3.5mm microphone output socket, and the dual mono output cable. So let's plug this in, shall we? Okie dokie. I don't understand what that means. The pictures are crazy, but okay. So now that this is in place, we are going to disconnect my clip-on mic and plug this one in and see if there is, in fact, indeed, a difference. And this goes out to Jones Blues and Jam. She wanted to hear this. She wanted to see this. She wanted to know the difference. So I'm here. So the initial part of the video had no mic. And then I put in the clip-on. Now we're going to plug in this baby. So this goes into, does it say which end? It doesn't matter. Clipped in. I unclip this one. Now we're gonna clip in, we're gonna plug in How does that sound? Can you hear me? I don't know. I don't have like a true mount for this. So let's see if we can play this. How does that sound? Can you hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's play some music. Hold on. So how does that sound? I see that it's okay. I don't know what you're hearing, but I definitely would like you to comment below and let me know what you think of this. Which mic was better, whether it was the phone, the automatic mic that comes with the phone, my clip-in, or the Rode mic that's plugged in. Now I'm gonna unplug this. Now we're back to the regular or a mic that comes on the phone automatically. So how do you like that? There's the difference. I hope you appreciated this evaluation, unboxing, testing, tryout. I won't know. It's up to y'all to let me know. Did you hear a difference with using the different sources? With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Comment below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. And if you have yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put up a video. Stay tuned because I will be doing an unboxing of my Save-A-thon haul. I've meant to do it and I haven't done it, but it's coming up. Later.